Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Today I'll be making a fruity, boozy banana bread. It's incredibly easy and super delicious. These are the ingredients. I use semi-sweet dark chocolate, dried cranberries, and a splash of white rum. Obviously, you can substitute the alcohol with milk and make it kids-friendly. First, mix all the dry ingredients. The exact measurements are listed in the description box. Then mash 3 ripe bananas. They are soft and very sweet. Make sure there's no big chunks left. Use a big bowl and mix all the wet ingredients. Here, no machine is required, you just need a whisk. Then mix the mashed bananas and the wet ingredients together. Add the dry ingredients to the bowl. Do not add them all at once. Add 1/3 each time so they can incorporate well. This is the consistency I'm looking for. Add chocolate and cranberries in the batter. Mix well. Then transfer it to a bread loaf pan or a cake pan. I like to spread some dried cranberries and chocolate on top, so when people see it, they know what's inside. Bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. The baked banana smells so good. You can use a toothpick to test if it's fully cooked. It should come out clean. The texture of this bread is like a cake. If you like Ben & Jerry's Cherry Garcia and banana chocolate ice cream, do not miss this one. It's a perfect combination of those two flavors. The dark chocolate tastes rich, and the sweetness of cranberries and bananas complement its bitterness perfectly. It looks like a big donut. The preparation is effortless, takes no time. I hope you will try this sometime. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye!